Good day, everyone. This is Patrick Okumendia, your auto guide on Auto Experts. We are here to discuss why engine fails. What will make your engine to fail while you are driving on the road? What are the symptoms you need to understand for you to know that your engine is in danger? Why do we have a high rate of engine failures in Nigeria? And what are the causes and what are the solutions? The first thing is your engine oil. Are you following the manufacturer's recommendation? If the manufacturer tells you this is the oil to use, and we, your mechanics, tell you don't use that one, it doesn't matter. We are in a hot weather. We are in a very hot weather that we need 20W50. Then you are going to start saving money for the day your engine will knock or hook. Why is it common? We have a lot of people who say we are in a hot weather and so we will use the oil that is suitable for our weather. It's good. 20W50, I used to use it before. But it is not recommended for your vehicle. First, it does not have anti-sludge protection. And what causes engine to hook is when you have thick sludge in your engine and then there is no way for the oil pump to pump, because the oil pump now will be laboring to pump, and if it fails, then there's no oil supply to your engine, and then you see that the oil is no more oiling the components, and then the engine will go. For you to prevent your engine to knock or to hook, use the right oil. The oil is vital, it's the lifeblood of the car, and without the oil, then you are not doing the right thing. You can see all these cars, they put on their cap the oil to use. You will have to follow what they say. Then another thing is common here that causes engine to knock. A lot of people remove the thermostat and brings down the temperature of the car. Every car, in 5 minutes, even a Range Rover or a Toyota, in 5 minutes, it must get to the normal operating temperature at 90 degrees. If it does not get there, you run the fan directly, remove the thermostat, the car will be there, it will not overheat, but the engine will never get to the normal operating temperature. And if it does not get to the normal operating temperature, the engine gradually will be weak. If your engine is having all these symptoms, ensure you are servicing it the right time at the right time. If you use the synthetic oil that this this sticker is recommending, is every 6 months. If you use 20W50, which we will not shy away from, it's every 3 months. So standard service procedures must be adhered to. Then the second one, they put back your thermostat and make your engine not to be running constantly on the fan. The thermostat is supposed to control the cooling system. Engine oil is a coolant. And if you now add coolant with the fan running, you make the engine very weak. Let it get to the normal operating temperature. Then when you now have a knocked engine, it is not the end of the world. Some people will just say, no need, because they have used it too much, misused it. So they say, let's buy another engine. Good, another engine is okay. Buy it and put it back. But me, I'm a proponent of fix that engine.
Can engine knock be fixed? Of course, yes. We've been told how to avert engine knock. But here are the ways you can fix engine knocking. 1. Upgrading the fuel that you put into your car and going with something that has a much higher octane rating. 2. Taking your car in for a tune-up and asking the mechanic to provide you with new spark plugs and spark plug wires. Meanwhile, running your car with engine knock leads to excessive wear and could eventually lead to engine failure.
So what you should do to cut everything short, your engine oil is your lifesaver. Until we come your way next time, this is Patrick Okumendia. Be a good driver, be considerate to other road users. Thank you.